guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am back with a Lord of the Rings project pan update, and this project pan was created by my friend Nat, so this is a collab with her. And if you guys are also doing this project pan, let me know in the comments below so we could go check out your videos. And yeah, so anyways, let's get started. So in this project pan we do have a full-size product and 4 sample size products, and the full-size product represents Gandalf the wizard, and the 4 sample products represent the Hobbits because they're short. And so here are my sample sizes, and here is my full-size product. Whoa, I almost killed Gandalf here. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the sample size products. And so the first thing that I wanted to show you guys, it is the product that I finished, and this one is by Valentino Voce Viva. This is what it looks like. It's just a little sample, and this smelled really good. It was a little strong, but I can't really describe what the scent was, but it smelled really good though. But it was just like a little bit strong for me, but it didn't cause me any migraines, so that's good. But anyways, I did finish it. As you can see, I started off right here last month and now it is completely gone. I did finish this perfume pretty quick, so I'm super happy that I already finished another sample perfume. And since I already finished that perfume, I am going to be bringing in another perfume, and this one is by the 7 Virtues. I know I'm saying that wrong. Virtues. Hey Google, pronounce virtues.
That's pronounced virtues.
Virtues. Why is that word so hard to pronounce? But anyways, it is this one right here, and this one is called Vanilla Woods, and this is a sample from Sephora. And so here is a little sample, and inside of this little book it says story, made with organic fair trade vanilla essential oil from Madagascar. So that's that. But anyways, I'm going to be marking this perfume, and the perfume is like, it's almost completely full. Actually, I haven't even smelled it, so hopefully it's not too strong. And I am going to put it on me because I don't have any perfume. I'm scared that it's going to be too strong and I'm gonna get a migraine. Smells good. It smells like vanilla. It smells really, really good. Okay, so I'm super excited for this. Okay, so anyways, now the next products are lip products, and so I'm going to begin with this light bulb, the one that reminds me of Sam. And this one is the Stun Shine lip gloss. It's really pretty, and I did end up removing the stopper, as you can see. For some reason I couldn't get the other product. The lip gloss is already like down to here, but the rest of it is like stuck on the wall, so I just decided to take off the stopper so I could like try to scrape it off or something. But anyways, I really like this lip gloss. It has glitters, but it doesn't bother me. Like, they're really fine glitters, and I can't really show you any progress because it's like really hard to see. But anyways, I've been using this almost every single day. I actually forgot to write it down every single time that I would use it, but I did use it almost every single day, so it's probably more than 20 times. Okay, now the next product is this lip gloss, and this one is the Ulta Beauty lip gloss in the shade Canyon. This one right here. And this is very disappointing because I only used it 3 times this past month, but you could see like progress right here. So I don't know if I should mark it right there or what. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think I should mark it right there. Anyways, I really like this lip gloss, but I just didn't use it that much, so it's pretty disappointing. Okay, now the next product, it is the Tarte lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit, and it's this cute little sample. And there's like no progress in this one either, so I feel very disappointed. And the reason why you can't see any progress is because I only used it like 4 times. But anyways, the reason why I haven't been using it that much is because in my yearly project pan I did have a lipstick, and I was just trying to finish that lipstick, so that's the one that I use the most. But now that I finished that lipstick, I could concentrate on these lip products. So yeah, so hopefully by the end of April you guys are able to see some progress in at least one of those lip products. Okay, so now on to the Wizard product. So the Wizard product, it is this Maybelline 657 nude lipstick, and this lipstick is kind of disappointing as well, but I have used it more times than the other products. This one I have used it 6 times, and this is what it looks like. It's a very pretty nude, and I haven't been taking pictures since the beginning of the year, so since January, so I can't really compare it to last month. But I will put January's picture right here, and I will measure it right now to see if it went down at all. It's going to be funny if it's exactly in the same place, because I haven't seen the picture. So this is what it's looking like right now. So hopefully there's a difference. If not, it's okay. But now that the other lipstick and my other project pan is gone, I could actually concentrate on this lipstick, and who knows, maybe I'll be able to finish this in a month or two. I'm kind of disappointed of how this project pan is going because I feel like I'm not making any progress on the lip products, only in the perfume products, because I think this is like the third perfume that I bring into this project pan. But anyways, I'm really excited to see how Nat's progress is going, and I hope that her progress is going better than mine. So make sure to go check her out, you guys. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's